Two former top officials of UP-PGH will forfeit the benefits due them. Let's find out why from Ara Perez.
The Office of the Ombudsman ordered the dismissal of two former PGH officials. In effect, they will no longer be allowed to hold a post in the government and all their remaining benefits will be cancelled. Ombudsman Conchita Carpio Morales said there were anomalies in the replacement of the security agency of UP-PGH, which was approved by former Chancellor Manuel Agulto and Vice Chancellor Joselito Hamir. Morales said there was no proper bidding and turnover done with different government agencies, which prohibits the move. Meanwhile, the 168 Security and Allied Services Management is grateful as they have finally met justice through the Ombudsman's decision.
Pinaglalaban ko ito, ang umaayaw sa akin na maglaban sa ganyan, yung assistant ko, si Cathy Marquez, sabi niya, huwag na tayo lumaban. Baka mamaya lahat ng government official matatakot na sa iyo. Kung sakali ikaw yung nanalo. Kako, but we have to fight for our rights.
The Ombudsman said this is a test that justice shall prevail and also a fair warning to manipulators who try to get away with the due procedure of the law.